Yeah, hi. Today we are going to see how we are going to create web pages which is related to the model class index and the show pages. Now we are going to see how we are going to create the index page and everything so that we can create a web pages which with the links, and we can display the tables by creating the database by our own. So now I'm going to create a database called iPhone models, in which we are going to see the iPhone models, was a release date and was the RAM and was the kernel. So now I think I have already been into the GitHub. So I named it as SA3 explanation video in the short form of EV. So I went into the current directory of SA3 EV. So let's start Rails generate. So it will take a long time. So what I do is I made a PDF which contains all the comments and everything. So I have done it already by myself. So I can say that it's like a cheat sheet for assignment. Yeah, we are. So this is what Rails model iPhone. So Rails generate model plus iPhone model string. So this I have been uh, created here. So I'll just give backspace and right click. So enter. So it will create the dependencies regarding it. So while it was doing that, we'll check. I have created a page so where you can fill the timesheets and everything. So here I have already created this one model and everything. Okay, now I think we have completed the step one. So I'll just mark the time, generate a model class, data migration. So I'm gonna do the data migration here. So more iPhone here. So then no records class is either already used in application or Ruby alternative or skip collision check or false. Generate my iPhone model string color class. Okay, I think I have given a ground code. So here we don't use the class. So that's what it's telling. So now everything is set. Yeah, very good. Yeah, now we are good to go. Now we are just migrating. This is Rails DB migrate reset. It will reset the existing all those. Yeah, so now the data is created now from here. So it's 15 September 14. Now it's 3:15 to 3:15 to 3:18. Okay, so from the database migration, I have already done that. So 3:18 to so 3:19. Yeah, I've done it. So seed the database with records. As we can see here, our database model iPhone.org, iPhone iPhone Y1 has been here, so we just go dive into the VM pair. So yeah, we need to redirect to the code.b. Now here we are going to see where we can seed our data. So seeds.orb. So here database seeds.orb here. So here we can to give if want to check whether the table we have created is there or not, we can check from here. So fixed, so it's not, so it's in the model iPhone test. So here we can see the test helper and string other id, color, model, price and everything. So when it comes to the migrate, so here you can see what are the things inside. So c.orb have taken the data already. So I think I've already taken the data. I'll just put it right there. I'll just copy and paste it and save it. So here we are. So here we have completed the seed of database. Here we are seeding the database with records. So now we'll type out the command like rails rails db slash migrate db seed. So here it will be seated with the database. So it's an unknown attribute rails aborted. Okay, here we need to sudo. Sorry, sometimes we need if there is a, yeah, now it will work. Yeah. So here we are known attribute release, unknown attribute rails aborted, unknown attribute release for iPhone. DB main. I think there is an error like release. Let me see. So RELEASC color price RELEASC. I think I have given an extra space here. It's not, I think this. Okay, here instead of release, I just mentioned it as a year. So I'll just change it. So counter it. So this is a problem of just copy pasting here. Here. Yeah, I'll just save it. And now it has to run. Um, yeah, yeah, it works fine. Now we'll fill out the time which we have taken. So here, so from 319, 326, 26. Yeah. So now add an index route. So just directly go to the video studio and we can go to the configuration routes.rb. So we'll just take the text from where we have taken. So we just go to the assignment, and here I have taken get iPhones to iPhone. Yeah, index. I'll just paste it here. Save it. Save it. Yeah. Mm. Then it's done. 326 to 327. Yeah, now create a model controller. Now here we can create tiles, generate controller, iPhone. Tiles, generate controller, iPhones. Here it will generate the controller. Okay, here we can see the iPhone's controller.rb, iPhone's controller.test, iPhone's controller.help. So I think here we can create a model controller. It's done. 327 to 328. So create an index controller action. So here when it comes to the action, we just go to the controller, controller, F1 controller, F1's controller. Here you can just tell what are the things we need. So we'll go here and take, we have already predefined. So this is what the action controller. So we just paste it here. It's done. F1 at all. So now it's done. 328, 82, 29. Yeah. So create a index view template. So now we can create this template by using the terminal or by the uh, direct we'll go. So here we can use touch view app views iPhone slash index.html.erb, enter. So now we can go to app views iPhones on index.html. Yeah. So I think it's empty now. So now we are going to fill up what how our table will be look like. So this is what they have. We need model and color. So these are the things we need. So just check it out. Copy pasting it here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Over here you can see that it comes. Now we can create an index. Yeah, we have created an index once 330. Yeah, it's done. So now we have created router. We have created an index view template also. Now let us try by running our server. Rails, yes. Okay, we can go to the, so okay, localhost 3000 slash phone. So no method error. iPhone undefined method each for nil class iPhone. So here we need to give iPhones. Okay, iPhones. showing iPhone's model. Okay, so we'll just iPhones for each iPhones. Okay, iPhone dot model, iPhones dot American, iPhones dot model. So I think I made a mistake here. Um, Let me pause my video. Yeah, now I have changed. I can have corrected my mistake. So there is a missing of mismatching of name. So I'll just try again. So here it comes to the iPhones. Maybe it's not the iPhones. It's iPhone. iPhones model. So iPhone. So I think I have taken a long time on a break to solve the error. So I have done a mistake. Now I have just corrected it since I have taken as a mistake in this controller test RB as a controller. So I took some time to solve it. So now here I'm just filling up the timesheet so that I can update it. So from 3:30 to 3:50, it's around 3:30 to 50. So that taken a long time. Create a show controller action. Now, like I will go to the routes. So I think I have created add a show route here. So now I will just take it from the sheet. Yeah, get iPhones ID iPhone slash so we control S. So now I think I have created everything. So create a show controller action. Show controller action. Yeah. Here define show phones and find parameter. Control here we can just go to controller and put it there. Just copy paste it. Uh, Copy paste it. So after that we'll just create a new show page. So we'll go to the terminal again. So we just break that control C exit. So touch app use like phone show dot html dot erb. Yeah, I think it's created. Let's refresh it. Here we got show dot. So now I'll go to my reference sheet and I will just take those things and just put it right there. So here, yeah, I'll just paste it. Okay, I'll just run it as usual. So before doing that, I'll just make sure my seed is correct. So iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, sure, phone 15, at last iPhone 16 color white viper from 3140. So I'll just save it for not release. So here I'll just add the link. So 350 to 350 to 350 54. So create a shop and I have done it. So 350 to 352 to 354. So add link to show creative show page. Okay, now here we go. So now I can go. Yeah, just index. So now I will add the links to go to the show page. Okay, here. So now the next one here. The show page or next page. We are going to add it down here. Link to show show pages. Okay, just on the server. So here is a server. Uh, the Rails, yes. Okay, now we'll go to the browser. Okay, browser. Here we just refresh it. So show pages. So iPhones here. Uninitialized concert iPhones. Here there's an error, so we go here again. So iPhone, iPhone thing, phones, phones, phones controllers. So now I have made some changes to the code. So various, I'll be having some links to redirect to back to the page. So I'll just paste it over here. Link to next phone path. I don't think I need here. Path. Yeah, can give you this index. Link to index. So index path. Sorry, I just encountered an error. Yeah. Now I think cleared the error. So here we go. So we have created it. Sorry, it's not a show. It's index. Relocate again. So I think I have created. I think I have completed the entire project. So now you can just say, how does it go? So here we are. So I'm just filling up the sheet so that you can just look into it. Okay, it's sorry, I have taken some time. So 354 to uh, 356, and then 362 3 sorry 4 or 2. Yeah, so it's fine. So now I'm just stopping the video.